talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Google Play Games app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Google Play Games app, or just click on search. So add here, so Games app, it's going to show for you here Google Play Games app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store, click on it. You search here for Google Play Games app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.